Breastfeeding is a natural and beautiful way to nourish your baby, but it can also be challenging and overwhelming for many new mothers. That's why it's important to start preparing for breastfeeding before your baby arrives. One of the first things you can do is educate yourself about breastfeeding. There are many resources available, including books, websites, and classes that can help you learn about the benefits of breastfeeding, proper latch and positioning, and how to overcome common challenges. It's also a good idea to talk to other mothers who have breastfed their babies to get their advice and support. Another important step in preparing for breastfeeding is to make sure you have the right supplies. You'll need a comfortable nursing bra, nursing pads to absorb leaks, and lanolin cream to soothe sore nipples. You may also want to invest in a breast pump so you can express milk if you need to be away from your baby or if you have trouble with latching. Creating a breastfeeding-friendly environment in your home can also help you be successful. Set up a comfortable nursing station with a supportive chair, pillows, and a side table for snacks and drinks. You may also want to have a breastfeeding cover or blanket on hand for privacy when nursing in public. It's also important to involve your partner in the breastfeeding process. Your partner can help support you emotionally and physically, whether it's by bringing you water while you nurse, burping the baby after a feeding, or taking on other household tasks so you can focus on breastfeeding. Before your baby arrives, it's a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider about your breastfeeding goals and any concerns you may have. Your provider can offer guidance and support to help you have a successful breastfeeding experience. Once your baby is born, it's important to start breastfeeding as soon as possible. Skin-to-skin contact immediately after birth can help your baby latch on and start breastfeeding successfully. Your baby may nurse frequently in the first few days as they establish your milk supply, so be prepared for frequent feedings. It's normal to experience some discomfort or pain while breastfeeding, especially in the first few weeks. However, if you experience severe pain, cracked nipples, or other issues, it's important to seek help from a lactation consultant or healthcare provider. They can help you address any problems and ensure that you and your baby are breastfeeding successfully. As you continue to breastfeed, it's important to take care of yourself as well. Make sure you're eating a healthy diet, staying hydrated, and getting enough rest. Breastfeeding can be physically demanding, so it's important to listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. Breastfeeding is a unique and special bond between you and your baby, and it's important to remember that every breastfeeding journey is different. Some mothers may breastfeed for a few weeks, while others may breastfeed for several years. The most important thing is to do what feels right for you and your baby. In conclusion, preparing for breastfeeding before your baby arrives can help you have a successful and fulfilling breastfeeding experience. Educate yourself, gather the right supplies, create a supportive environment, involve your partner, and seek help when needed. Breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural way to nourish your baby, and with the right preparation and support, you can have a positive breastfeeding experience.